So about an hour ago, I was talking to somebody on YouTube in regards to just one of the videos that I put on. Just that it was an interesting story, and he had one where a builder had gone round and installed an RSJ, a put padstone underneath it, and it like run along, and then the padstone it was sat on top of the padstone by about 15mm, which is about that much, which is, you know, obviously the house could entirely fall down. It's something you don't do. And I come across a similar situation where the RSJ would just sat on a piece of wood, and I'm talking like a little bit of wood, you know what I mean? I mean, it might be about that wide, but I don't know how deep it was, I can't remember. But obviously I got called by this customer to go and correct it, just to have a look, because you couldn't get it signed off. So, and here's the pictures of what I come across. So as you can see, like the RSJ running along here, it's completely done wrong. Look at this. Like, I mean, look at it. It's just like it held up. Your house is held up by a little bit of wood, like, you know, that much. How stupid can you be just to think that that's okay? I mean, wood, as we know, it rots, and it also gets dry rot and everything else. So why would you do it? But not only that, take a look at this other picture. There were a live wire resting onto RSJ that obviously electric were going through it. So if for example somebody grabbed hold of RSJ above their head, they could have got a shock. And I didn't take a picture at the time, but obviously when I tested it to see if it's live, and obviously completely disconnected it all, just to make sure that, you know, nobody else got hurt, and we corrected it, put the RSJ up properly, and these pictures just explain and show you that all I've got is pictures. I ain't got videos from back then, but this is how you do it. You know, you put a padstone either side, it's got to have right depth, you know, right width, it's got to be done properly, and obviously being within the kitchen, you've also got to fire line it as well, so you've got to like make sure it's perfectly sealed all the way around. You can't have that risk of you know, your house setting on fire. We all do is cooking in kitchen, so obviously, and it's when you get in touch with building control, you have to get that signed off. So they want to see the RSJ when it's put in. They want to see padstones at either side, and they want to see it fire lined. And then once that's done, they'll sign it off, and away you go. But just be careful out there. Be careful who you choose for all your building services, because there's some fucking donkeys out there that'll just fucking have your pants down, I'm telling you. But thanks for watching again, and I'll post another video soon. Thank you.